Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove attachments when replying on Gmail on PC. This is especially helpful when you want to respond to an email thread without resending large files or outdated documents that were part of the original conversation. First, head over to Mail, google.com, and sign in to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the conversation that contains the message with the attachment you want to address. Click directly on that conversation to open it fully so you can see the entire thread and all its contents. Now, at the bottom of the message you want to respond to, click Reply. If you need to include everyone from the original message, click Reply All instead. This action opens up the Compose box right beneath the original email, and here's where things get interesting. Take a look at the Compose box that appears on your screen. If the original message had attachments, Gmail will often include them automatically in your reply. These attachments show up as small file chips, usually positioned beneath the message body or at the bottom of the Compose window. They look like little rectangular buttons with the file name and size displayed. To remove an attachment you don't want to send, simply hover your mouse over the attachment file chip. When you do this, you'll notice a small X or trash icon appears on the right side of that chip. This icon is your key to removing unwanted files from your reply. Click that X or trash icon and the attachment chip will disappear from your Compose window. This confirms that the file has been successfully removed and won't be included when you send your reply. It's a quick and clean way to control exactly what gets sent out. Before you hit send, take a moment to type your reply message and double-check the Compose area. Make sure no unwanted attachments remain visible as file chips. This verification step ensures you're only sending exactly what you intend to send, nothing more. Finally, once you're satisfied that your message is complete and all unnecessary attachments have been removed, click the Send button. Your reply will go out without the removed attachment, keeping your communication clean and relevant. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.